I can't be racist. My sister married a Mexican.
Those football fans are honoring Native Americans by dressing up in Native American costumes.
The black national anthem is divisive. Why should black people have their own anthem?
You don't sound black.
We've got the 4th of July. Why did we have to celebrate Juneteenth?
Like, anyone can succeed in this country if they just work hard. I'm tired of this victim mentality.
I can't be racist. My sister married an Asian man.
Wow, your hair is so beautiful. Can I touch it?
I can't be racist. My sister married a black man.
If we don't talk about racism, there would be no racism.
How do I explain to my little boy that his friend Sally has 2 mothers?